Oh, look at this. We're back in the trashy game that I quit a long time ago. At least I like calling this trash. Just look at the UIs. In case they're the new ones. This is the new ones. But what about the old ones? I should probably show on the screen. Alright, I'm gonna make this a montage like the final video. I'm doing a revisit. Also, daily quests. That sucks. But alright.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of guessing time. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands down, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of guessing time.
Right, so that was the revisits. Looks like nothing much has improved in every do. It's the way that I see daily challenges. I already know about those. Yeah. So the revisit is done. Thank you for watching. I'll never be playing this again. This is number 2. Alright, see ya.